RPM Fusion has two repositories, namely free and non-free. The free repository contains the packages that are open source as defined by Fedora licensing guidelines. The non-free repository contains redistributable packages that are not open source and packages that are not free for commercial purpose. To find the list of installed repositories in Fedora, run this command. If you want to list only the enabled repositories, run this command. In RHEL and its clones like CentOS, AlmaLinux, RHEL-Linux, etc., you must enable EPL repository before enabling RPM Fusion repository. To install EPL repository in Red Hat Enterprise Linux system, run this command. After enabling the EPL repository, run the following command to enable RPM Fusion repository in RHEL and its compatible clones: CentOS, AlmaLinux, and RHEL-Linux. You can view the list of the installed repositories at any time using the following commands. RPM Fusion provides two additional repositories, namely free Tainted and non-free Tainted. Users can enable free Tainted repository by installing the RPM Fusion free release Tainted package. Similar to the free Tainted repository, the non-free Tainted repository can be enabled by installing the RPM Fusion non-free release Tainted package. If you don't want RPM Fusion repositories anymore, you can disable RPM Fusion repository using yum config manager. To disable both free and non-free RPM Fusion repositories, run this command. To enable free and non-free repositories, run this command.